Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing video for the Black and Red series. Today we'll be looking at this keyboard here, and it's the Steelseries 6G V2 gaming keyboard, and it's a full mechanical keyboard with the red cherry MX switches right here in the bottom. I'm gonna bring it up near so you guys can see, and yeah, it says tournament grade mechanical keyboard, and yeah, and it's Steelseries, and I like it. And basically this is my first time trying on the Steelseries product, and I hope that it gives me the right feel for my gaming experience. So let's gonna move slowly to the side of the box, and on the side of the box it shows the different views of the keyboard, and also shows you that it's a red keys, and yeah, and then let's look at the back of it, and it actually shows you the team that it actually sponsored. And yeah, and to talk more about the keyboard right here, and I'm not going to go into that, so let's move on to the front again. And as you can see, there's a flap here, so we're gonna bring it up, and you can see more informations right here. And yeah, so basically all these professional gamers actually comment on this keyboard itself, and it's a very good keyboard according to the reviews on YouTube and on the internet. So that's why I've got this keyboard for the red and black series. So yeah, so now let's get this keyboard open up, and we'll see how the keyboard looks like right now. I'm gonna do it very carefully because I do not want to destroy the box, because we do keep the box nicely on the cabinets to display it, and so yeah. Okay, the tape is out, so let's pull out the flap right here. And you will have the access to the keyboard. Let's put the keyboard right out. And I put this box aside because there's nothing else right here. Set the box aside, and this is what you get. Let's take the cardboard out of the way. And we see what's inside the cardboard. Oh, okay. So there's this, I think supposed to be the quick guide or the introduction of the keyboard, and of course the Steelseries sticker right there, and an adapter for, yeah, I'm not sure what this connector cause. So yeah, there's a connector right here. So let's put that aside, and we'll look at the keyboard. And as you can see, right inside there you can actually see the red backlit. So it's actually a red backlit LED with the red keys. So basically this is how the keyboard looks like, and I pretty like the build and the design of it. And it doesn't feel very heavy, and it's not. It is quite sturdy. When I try to bend it, it's kind of almost impossible to do that. So yeah, this is the unboxing video for the keyboard. So I hope you guys like it, and thank you for watching.